Cobalt Luxury Racer, Uzbekistan's ultimate 5-door sedan blends elegance with extreme performance. Prepare for the unexpected. We've crafted a Chevrolet Cobalt 5-door sedan that shatters conventions, merging executive luxury with unadulterated American street racing ferocity. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of sophisticated power on the streets of Uzbekistan. Witness the breathtaking metallic purple finish contrasted with electrifying lime green accents. Behold the sleek 5-door sedan body, aggressive wide-body kit, custom aero, and those mesmerizing LED matrix headlights. With vibrant green underglow, a subtle integrated spoiler, and performance cues throughout, this Cobalt sedan exudes both class and raw speed. We captured its commanding presence in front of a modern glass office tower in bright daylight, showcasing its refined yet aggressive nature. This custom Cobalt redefines the executive sedan, a luxurious daily driver that transforms into a formidable street machine at will. If you're fascinated by unique blends of luxury and performance, innovative design, and cars that defy expectations, you absolutely need to see this. Is this the perfect blend of luxury and street racing? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you're captivated by this stunning 5-door sedan. Subscribe and ring the bell for exclusive luxury builds, performance reviews, and automotive insights from Uzbekistan.